Hi, I'm Don, and this is the Hobbyist Geek. Welcome back, y'all. Today we're continuing our Ghostbusters Ecto-1 build. We have issue 34 right here, and we're going to be kicking things off with stage 127. So let's go ahead and take a look at what parts we get, and we'll continue the build from there. Okay, so here are the parts we get with stage 127. We have right rear wheel leg, two right rear leg fixings, wheel lock pole, the wheel lock itself, folding leg upper, folding leg lower, right rear wheel, proton pack support brackets, two of those, and proton pack supports, two of those, with a mess of screws. I expect this is going to be a fairly short video because we're going to be effectively doing everything I've done before. So we're going to build two more of these, which we did in the last issue, I think it was the last issue. We will need the base that we had extra from the last issue. And we're going to be building another one of these rear legs here with the folding support and attaching it. So rather than just going through the instructions on everything we've already done and you already know, we'll zip through to the part that's new. Okay. Whew. For some reason, this leg was harder to put on than the others, but they are all four on now. Take a look at that. Pretty cool. And stands on its own. Whee! Rolls too. Now we've got to take the proton pack cradles here, supports. We got to put them in place. Now there's a little pin on one of these. One side of the holes has three. Pin goes in the middle, just like this. And then we fix it with YP screws. Would you look at that? Just like that. And it's ready to rock and roll. And now we got to do it 3 more times. And there you go. Look at that. We've got all 4 proton pack supports. We've got all 4 of the extendable legs, and our gurney is completed. Finally! That actually is the end of the stage, but before you go, I thought you all might get a kick out of seeing the gurney with all of the proton packs installed on it. Now, I'm sure at this point you've already noticed a rather glaring flaw. These proton packs have no place for the wand. And the gurney has no place for it either. I mean, it should go hereabouts, and there's nothing to be done about it. Or with the factory packs anyway. For this one, I've already put some 22 gauge wire, crafting wire, inside the spring here. So I can bend this, but it's still a little heavy to maintain its shape. I can glue it here. I'd really prefer not to. So I did actually order a mod from online. There are tons of them out there. This one's just a little 3D printed piece that I'm going to screw on right here, and it should let me just basically click it in here. It's not perfect, but it'll at least keep things in order for when I put them on the gurney for display. Hopefully everything will work out well. Anyway, that's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Have a great day.